Hello, I'm Dr. Dennis Hartlieb with Dental Online Training, and welcome to another clinical tip and product review video for the restorative dentist. Today I want to share with you a great little instrument for when we're cementing or placing porcelain veneers or even porcelain onlays. It's called the Vac-Tak, and it's brought to us by AdDent. AdDent is this great little company that makes great products for the restorative dentist. And this is another great product that they have. It's called the Vac-Tak, so let's take a look at it. Comes in this box, the Vac-Tak placement kit. Inside this box, there's this handle, and on this handle, you can place these little suction tips. And they have both a large size suction tip and a smaller size suction tip. Smaller size suction tip you might use for lower veneers, you might use it for lateral incisors, maybe bicuspids. The larger suction tip you would use to hold on to your central incisor veneers, your large veneers, your canines, such like that, and maybe your onlays. Now, what's also interesting with this kit comes these little suction devices that you would use on the transluminator, the Microlux from AdDent. If you wanted to spot cure your veneer, you'd put your little suction cup on your Microlux, and you could spot cure your veneer using your Microlux to hold that in place. Okay, the way that these suction cups work, you have to actually wet them so that they will hold on to the veneer. So I'm going to try on the right central veneer. First, I just want to moisten. I'll use a little bit of water on my suction cup, and then I can pick up my veneer. And this is so nice because if you're like me in the past, I've used my fingers, my cotton forceps to deliver the veneers. Then I have cement on my fingers or on my instruments, hard to place it. If I need to treat the veneer before cementing, I can place my etch-it. If I have to etch it, I can place my silane, place my adhesive or my ceramic primer. And then I could use it. In this case, I'm going to put in my try-in paste. So I can place try-in paste, bring the veneer to the tooth, and then literally just roll off the suction cup. It'll release. I can use my brushes to take off any excess of the try-in cement. It's a nice, clean way to be able to manage your veneers without having to hold them with your fingers. Makes it much easier. That's it. I hope you found this product review helpful. Please leave your comments in the section below. And if there's any product that you're interested in, you want us to review, also just put that in the comments. Yours until next time, I'm Dr. Dennis Hartlieb, yours for better dentistry.